Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will show this special header unit for Mitsubishi ASX 2019 to 22 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay. With special harness and cables. This header unit, special header unit. Okay, let me show the harnesses first. Okay, you can check this factory plug and play. And this camera input. And this canvas decoder box. And ASX input left and right. Okay. And this GPS antenna. This is Wi-Fi antenna. This USB cable. 1, 2, and this microphone. This camera input, and this audio cable. It's a subwoofer. AUX output left and right, front and rear, RC type. Okay, this AUX input left and right, and video input. Okay. This is special header unit for Mitsubishi ASX. (19 to 22 years). Okay, you can check this back of header unit. And there, this 4G SIM card slot. 4G SIM card slot. This back power fuse, GPS, 4G antenna, and radio antenna. Okay, let me connect the power. Okay, header unit will start. Okay. And this is front header unit. This home screen. Please take care tear off this screw protector. Our header unit already built in the protector is red blue. Volume and never check the settings. Android 12 system. Memory total 8 GB. Storage total 128 GB. About device, you can check the Android 12 system and 8 GB, 128 GB. This is factory password. Please change this with 0 and save. If not, you can't watch the video. It's built in the Play Store and Google Maps. You can connect the Wi-Fi. Our website belsee.com and back to home and this APK installer AutoLink. Car information, Bluetooth. It's AutoLink for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Already built in the system, and you can change the display theme style. There are total 8 theme style. It's radio. And instructions. Do not watch video while driving, so you need to set it in the settings. Password and change the brake with 0 and save. Reboot the system. DSP amplifier. Okay, and let me check the instruction. You can check, so you can visit the instructions if you set. Okay, that's all. Thank you.